to the channel. Oh, I should put Christmas earrings in. Oh well. But I wanted to show y'all what I got. So I've been wanting to try these for a very, very long time. Way before YouTube came around and everything. We used to get the magazines in the mail. You know, back in the day when the catalogs came out and all. So, and I'll put down some of the crochet channels that I watch a lot. But I've always wanted to try Herrschners yarn. You know, they've been around for a long time. So, they had a special, and they had $1.25 shipping, which was really right up my alley. So, I was like, yes, ma'am. I'm trying to hide these so that, I can't see them yet. Alrighty. So I want to make sure that's everything that's in here. Of course, they sent me another master packing slip. And more stuff about yarn. Alright, so here we go. So I'm going to show y'all. Yeah, I may look at something real quick because I took one off and I just want to make sure I got everything that I ordered. Alright, so here we go. I picked up, now these are all sparkles. So one I didn't know it sparkled, but it sparkles. Yay! So this is the candy corn. I love those colors. Oh my goodness. It makes you think of candy corn, you know? Alright. So then I picked out this brown. Oh my goodness. I love this. I did not know it was sparkle. Maybe because, you know, I didn't read the label. I was just picking colors. I didn't pick too many, but this was awesome. I like that. And of course, I've got to try Christmas. You know, these look great. Oh my goodness. So many more projects I want to do. So, yes, the candy corn is like Halloween candy stuff. And then I had my daughter-in-law pick out one that she would like. And this one, so candy corn trick or treat. I did not get all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we're going to have to look at this later. Or maybe that brown, I'll have to go back and look at it. So, she's got this one. It's called the Trick or Treat one. So, I think she'll do origamis, whatever they're called. You know, cute. She's made so many. She's learned how to do that. She's Anastsia a bunch. And she made her husband some and everything. So, alrighty. So they sent me this, so I can go back and look at it later. And I'm also wanting to do some like cotton and scrubby stuff and everything. So I'll have to look at that later. Ooh, that's a nice coupon, $10 code. So this one is save $10 on orders over $49. Enter your unique code at checkout. Expires August 31st. So that's pretty cool. And then, oh yeah, then they have the fall sale and like all that cool stuff to do. Oh my goodness gracious. There we go. So, those are those. And this is the one that Anastsia picked out. This was one that's called Pastel Parade. So, And she has ideas for that. So we got the Christmas, we have the pastel, the trick or treat, the New Year's Eve. So this, I'm quite sure this is the New Year's Eve. Let's see here. Celebrate, sparkle, color number 4008. Now this is the New Year's Eve. And let's see here. It is 489 yards. So they were 597. Sorry, 597. So that's not bad for 489 yards. Man, that make a nice some nice stuff. So we have the Christmas. We have the pastel parade. The New Year's Eve. That is cool looking. We have the trick or treat and the candy corn. So I wanted to show y'all. I want to try. They feel really nice and soft, even they've got the sparkles in it. And what I'll work up in it, I'll show y'all and everything. So I've been wanting to try these for a long time. Like I said, I'm just so excited. I got yarn. I don't know what's worse, the yarn or the seeds. Or maybe fabric. Ooh, who knows? So many things to do. So, that's my little gift to myself and my daughter-in-law and to Anastsia. So, thank y'all for watching. If y'all haven't liked, subscribing, the bells for notifications, blah, 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 blah. Blooper time. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Have a wonderful day.